Look at that road. We are on our way to Ningaloo Reef along this bumpy track. The view is pretty spectacular. It feels maybe a little bit like a highway. Another car, see how dusty it is. Check it out. How are we doing, bush boy number one?
All over it like a rash.
And bush boy number three? What's going on?
Good.
You're good? And Ollie round there, bush boy number two. How you doing, mate?
Pretty good.
Yeah, what's going on?
Nothing really.
Nothing, just hanging in the back of the car?
Yep.
Alrighty. Oh, big rock. Alrighty, guys. We're on our way to one of the best reefs and beaches in the world. We are living the dream.
Big one out.
Just let's wait until we get to the crest of the hill to show you. Over, whoa, and out. Well, hi crew. It is the Geek, and I'm going to do my Geek's reflection from this fabulous place. Look at this. Check it out. So cool. 1K resort. Well, it's a bush camp, but it's pretty amazing. My reflection for the day is, do we notice the little things? Do we take time to think about the little things? I've just had a couple of moments where I've just stopped, and it's been amazing. So last night, Ollie came up, and Nath had been surfing, and it was a rush to get out, and it didn't take it, so he didn't maybe put on as much sun cream as he should. And Ollie said to me, "Oh, Mum, check out Dad. He looks like a
Red Goblin.
Red Goblin," he said, and had the most electric smile and giggle on his face that just lit up the world in that one moment. Do we notice the little things? Another time when Nate just comes up and gives me a big hug, and and just makes me feel that I'm really important in the world to him. And a spectacular time a couple of days ago when we'd been out bush, and then we came back into a bit more civilization, still not totally civilized, when Toby comes running up to me and he goes, Mum, there's a flush toilet and 2 showers. Wow. Notice the little things. The fact that my kids, who are 9 and 11, are really excited about the fact that we have a flush toilet and fresh water running showers, something that probably many of us take for granted. So do we notice that we have a flush toilet at home and feel excited about having it? Nah, probably. I don't think I ever have. Anyway, that is enough from the Geek for today, but it was just a thought about, do we spend enough time noticing those little moments that just go past in a flash? Well, hello team. I came for my morning walk, and look who I found! A bush boy mulling over what's going on. Where are you all?
Okay, on the rocks for 1K.
The
ground.
Okay, and tell me about something that's interesting about these rocks.
That there's what Mum says fossilized coral in them.
Can you point at one and I'll zoom in? There's one
there.
over there. All right, team, let's have a look at what he means. Fossilized. Check out, can you see the coral in that rock? How cool is that? All right, let's go back to Ollie. Oh, since we've been at 1K, tell us what your highlights have been.
Probably going down to Yardie Creek.
Yeah.
Exploring, and then probably crossing Yardie Creek and going to putting the canoe on at Yardie Creek and seeing all the rock wallabies.
What does a rock wallaby look like for those people that maybe haven't seen one?
It's got a black tail, a wallaby body, but it's got some black stripes on its head, and I'm pretty sure a black stripe on its body.
And if you were to show us how big they were with your hand so people can see, are they big or small?
The smallest one we saw was about that big. The biggest one was probably about that big.
How
They're pretty
cool.
small.
Yeah, and what is so, you said you like Yardie Creek. Tell us what's so interesting about Yardie Creek.
Crossing it because there's sinking sand and there's this waterway where we raced our thongs in and we also played rugby and I kept dumping Toby into the deep water.
Oh, that sounds like so much fun. And so did you say we've been across Yardie Creek?
Yep.
Yeah, when are we gonna go over Yardie Creek again?
Today, but this time with our camp trailer.
Really? And what's the trick about getting across Yardie Creek safely, do you think?
Go fast and let your tyres down.
Okay. Do you know what PSI you should have your tyres at?
25.
You reckon? Between 20 and 25? Or just 25?
25 and 28.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. I love that you know that information, Ollie. That is spectacular. So shall we take a picture of our crossing of Yardie Creek and show the team? A video. All right. We will take a video of Yardie Creek to show you guys what we are talking about. Anything else you want to share with this team before we head?
There's big waves out the back of the reef.
All right. Shall we, Dad, say that again?
There's big waves at the back of the reef.
Oh, and how do you know that?
Dad was out there surfing.
Oh, okay. Dad went out there surfing. Shall we show them? Just behind me is the splashing water. And actually we'll show you the water because it's pretty cool. Here it is. You can actually see in the water. It's a little yellow, but out there it's a pretty calm day. And I don't know if you can see right in the distance, there are wave breaking.
Fishy.
So for those of you that are into surfing, Nate has said this is top quality, world-class safe surfing at 1K, but you do need a boat to get out there. It takes about 15 minutes to motor out. Listen to me sounding an expert, and I don't even surf. So before we head off, let's take him up to the camp. You walk us up to the camp. Let's see how close we are to this beautiful, you can see a fish?
Lots of fish.
Hold on, let's see if we can take a video. Oh yeah, there's fish in the sea down there. See them? How cool is that? Look at the water. It's totally amazing. Tomorrow we're going on this incredible boat tour to hopefully swim with the whale shark. Can't decide whether I'm excited or utterly petrified. But, let's take him back to the camp. You lead the way across these. Let's follow on. Look at this bush boy, he's got no shoes on. This is incredibly sharp stones, and yeah, off he goes. Give us a skip and a jump on. Give us a dance. He's not doing anything. Come on, mate. Entertain us. It's amazing how some people pretend they can't hear us. Here, look, as we go across over the hill, you should be able to see bush boy number 1 packing away. This is a 1K, has a toilet block over there which we weren't expecting. There's our camp, not far away. I'm sounding incredibly unfit because that was hardly any distance. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 campsites here. So it's a small campsite, and there's the road to get out. And you can see over there, right probably in that alcove in there where my finger is Yardie Creek. Wicked. We've had 3 days of awesome fun here. On to the next adventure. Over and out. Okay, here you go. Here is Nate going across Yardie Creek. Are you ready, team? He's got the speed.
with the
It's a little higher because it is... Okay, Tobes, you're in the shot, mate. Give us a wave. Here he goes. Keep going fast, Daddy. Daddy Bear. Oh, he looks like he's... Oh, it's cruised it. So, it is the 2nd of October. He has made Yardie Creek... Oh, is it the 1st of October? Wow, time. 1st of October, he's made Yardie Creek no bother on a outgoing tide. We are 2 hours short of the high tide. Over and out. Here we are, Osprey. Western Australia, 29th of September. I'm not convinced which one is the kid here, but all I can say is that this is something sensational, and Dad is getting his angry with his kids. And oh, you can see. There he is. Oh, no, Joe, we can't even now stand up. And whether I'm going to go in the water or not, I don't know. Yardie, not too pleasant. Don't let health hold you back when you have got the most beautiful Okay, what's this? I'm not convinced how okay this is. Nevertheless, it is happening. Which one is the kid here? But all I can say is that this is something sensational, and Dad is getting his angry with his kids. And oh, you can see. There he is. Oh, no, Joe, we can't even now stand up. And whether I'm going to go in the water or not, I don't know. All being diagnosed with Yardie, not too pleasant. Don't let health hold you back when you have got the most beautiful thing.